Welcome to week 12. This is a seafood week. We'll cook various seafoods this week. Today is Monday. We have a butter salmon, which is from Tuscany or Italy. It'll come with a butter sauce with some spinach and some onions. We'll saute the fish, we'll cook the sauce, we'll put this fish back on, we'll put some tomatoes and some spinach, and then that's it. Very simple, very easy to make. So let's start cooking. The oil is hot. We'll put some salt and pepper on the salmon on one side. So we'll put these down. That is certainly a good sign that the oil is properly heated. We have 4 salmon steaks here. We'll cook this till golden on one side, flip it over and cook it on the other side till golden. The salmon is done on one side. We'll turn this over. And then cook it for about 2-3 minutes on this side before removing it from the heat. The salmon is done. So remove it from heat, put it on this plate. Beautiful color. We'll turn this to low for a little bit. We'll put butter in this. I don't want the butter to burn, so I'll take it off the heat for a few minutes. Let it cool down. We'll add the butter and then create the sauce. We'll add the butter. I've not turned on the heat yet. Just add the butter. The residual heat of the oil will melt the butter. You can see it's still sizzling. We'll add the garlic to this. This is chopped garlic. And at this point we'll turn on the heat to medium and keep cooking. Garlic turns fragrant. We have tomatoes, different types of tomatoes here. So we'll put this in. We'll keep it at medium. We'll cook till the tomatoes start bursting. We'll put a little bit of salt on this. A little bit of pepper. You can see some of the tomatoes are cooked. So at this point we'll add the spinach. Let it wilt down. We'll also add a little bit of herbs. So this is parsley and basil. We'll keep the rest for garnish. The spinach has started to wilt, so we'll add the cream. This is about half a cup of cream. Add a little bit of water. Very colorful. Then we'll add Parmesan, and then we'll mix it to form the sauce. Let's taste it. Need a little bit of salt. Want to lower the heat. We'll put the salmon in. We'll spoon some of the sauce over the salmon. The salmon is cooked to my liking. If you want to cook it a little bit more, you can certainly cook it. At this point, this is done, so we can serve it. To serve it, take one salmon. And some sauce, spoon some sauce over it with some tomatoes and some spinach. And then to finish it, we'll add some herbs. And some lemon. That's the dish, Tuscan butter salmon. Thank you for watching. Have a great night, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another seafood dish.